Good morning. My name is Liss Monzon, and today I'm going to give you a brief guide to write a descriptive essay. I'd like to begin by saying that a descriptive essay is the one that describes something. For example, people, places, objects, and situations. You can begin practicing by describing your favorite actor, singer, movie director, fashion model, political figure, best friend, or your parents. To write a good descriptive essay, we have to use sensory information in order to make things seem real and remarkable, since the five senses are going to create a mental picture on each reader. When writing a descriptive essay, we have to take into account that it has an introduction that is usually made up of one paragraph. It has to be written in a coherent way with a good thesis statement at the end of the introduction. The thesis statement should tell what the topic is all about, and it will help the reader in analyzing whether they should go through it or not. After that, we have to write the body. Here is where the main information is presented. The standard body is made up of 3 paragraphs. And finally, we have to write a conclusion. The conclusion restates the main argument. Now we are going to see the steps to write a descriptive essay. First of all, you will have to choose the topic you are going to describe about. Then, you will have to make a brainstorming about that topic. It means to gather a list of ideas spontaneously. Next, you can begin writing your outlining. It means to categorize the main points and organize the paragraphs in order to make sense. After that, the first draft. The first draft is a rough sketch of your essay. Then, the proofreading. Here is where you revise your grammar and spelling mistakes, as well as the missing words. Finally, your document will be ready for editing. So, I hope this gives you a better idea about how to write a descriptive essay. Thank you very much for your kind attention.